How's it going, guys? Welcome back to your regular. As you can see, Chase is taking apart my tailgate because Max actually broke my tailgate handle and bought me a new one. So let's go see what he's doing. Jesus. So what you're gonna need a Torx 30 to take off the bolts that hold this plate on, and then it's two. Well, no, there goes my tailgate. It wasn't able to open. It's two 10mm on it to get it disconnected. As you can see, as Chase finagles with it, he got it down. There you go. That's what I say. I got two different 10mm. So he has one right there, and then there's the other one right here.
I know your fuck ass has a fucking drill bit one.
No, I do not. I got one of these though. Use this and just crank that bitch. Here's the new one. So I think Max ordered this off of Amazon, if I'm not too mistaken. He is having fun.
He probably have ADHD?
Yeah. Got it out. It's a chrome one. Looks pretty cool. We also have to take off the
Have you ever changed one of these before?
Yes. That's not even the original one. You have to take out the lock as well before I forget.
Well, give me a Phillips.
Oh, no. You can take it out afterwards while it's out. I don't want to take this out of the packaging. There you go. Chase got the old one out.
What do you need locking mechanism for?
Huh?
Oh, you need that.
Does it come with a gasket?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna get this off, bolt it all back together. Short little video. It's very shiny. We'll show you the after whenever it's all back in.
Did you say put rock lights on your truck already?
Yeah. Chase also put rock lights on his truck.
That is so much shit to it in 1 month.
I still gotta get the clip of. He actually put drop shackles on it. Still gotta get that. And there's an update for the parts truck as well.
Give me flathead.
So I'm gonna get him a flathead So Chase got this off and I cleaned it. Looks pretty good for what it is. I just used some aluminum brightener on it.
And WD-40.
And WD-40 to get this all looped up and nice. He's still trying to finagle with it. While he finagles with it, I'm gonna take you to the parts truck. While he finagles with it with a screw.
You got it.
Oh, he got it. I'm also gonna go to the parts truck and see if there's a flathead. There might be. So he's gonna put that back on, and let's go to the parts truck. Guys, ready? Here you go. This is the parts truck. I've actually cut a lot, because we don't really care about this truck. We're basically gonna just cut off everything and just pull the motor. And if we come into the interior, there's nothing. Absolutely nothing. I took the whole interior harness out just so I could have power doors. Everything in the doors are gone. Basically everything from the front is gone. I might take the headliner out and take the harness that's running from the A-pillar up, just so if I can find my headliner with the actual dome light piece, not that dome light, but that. I think it's like a map light or whatever. But I might do that. I don't know yet. There's a couple other things. I might have to take the pedal out because I think it's drive-by-wire, and I think my truck's different. There's a lot of stuff. I kind of broke the door because I got mad. Almost everything's out. All we gotta do is disconnect a couple hoses and the motor mounts, and I think like the power steering and stuff. This at one point was a complete truck. It's a 2000 Limited, I think. Yeah, it's a Limited. Galaxy painted, aka this is the Galaxy truck. Limited. All the parts that I've already taken off. As you can see, I'm just cutting it off. This is just going to the scrapyard. All right, so since you got to see the parts truck, let's go back to see what Chase is doing. All right, Chase, I guess, is slowly putting the plate back on.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, he says he's not slow, but I gave him a whole 2 minutes. Huh? Yeah, I think you're kind of slow. Jesus. Definitely training for NASCAR.
Yeah, bro, I've done this shit since I was like 5 years old.
Well, I've also done it. Moment of truth. I have not seen what it looks like. Do not put that bitch back on. Does not fucking matter. Oh my god. Exactly. Jesus. Hold on. It's not coming. Jesus. That looks pretty good. I guess. It doesn't work. I can't step any further back. That looks pretty dope. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I need to. Can't you fix that? Hope you guys enjoyed this small little video and update. Stay tuned for more on the parts truck and this truck. Eventually, I have to get another vehicle in order to start on pulling stuff. So stay tuned for us fixing the Dodge and selling it. Hope you guys enjoyed. You got anything to say, Chase?
They ain't ready.
They ain't ready for Ted. Peace.